So first start off with a clean face, and then I'm going to use a toner to balance my skin. And then after that, I'm going to use a Day Glow serum that I bought. And then to hydrate my face, I'm going to use this aloe vera gel that I got from Nature Republic. For face primer, I'm using this hydrating face primer from E.L.F. Now for brows, I'm using this brow pomade from E.L.F. Most of my products are from E.L.F. because I'm like really broke to buy high-end makeup. And then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild concealer to conceal my brows. I'll be getting it ready to fuse, sitting on top of the world just cute, missing a puzzle, I swear it's you. So I just bought this matte cushion from Innisfree a while ago, and I wanted to like try it out. So I ended up buying the wrong shade. It's like too light for me. It made me look like a ghost. But it's like full coverage, so it's pretty good. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Cute AF palette from Colourpop. I'm using the eyeshadow brush from E.L.F. for my lid and the blending eye brush for my crease. That's also from E.L.F. For my eyeliner, I'm just going to use the eyeliner that I got from E.L.F. I'm going to use the mink falsies, I'm quite not sure about the name, from the Sephora Collection. Putting the false lashes on took the longest time. Like, it kept falling off every time I put them on. I could paint your beauty, that's if you just let me. Just let me. Just let me. Just let me. And to contour my face, I'm just going to use the contour shade from the Illuminating palette from E.L.F. Now for the blush, I'm just going to use the Mellow Mauve blush from E.L.F. And now I'm just putting some highlight onto my face. I'm using a palette that I don't remember where I got it from. So I'm going to use the Colourpop matte lipsticks, and I ended up choosing Beeper because I didn't really know what kind of look I was going for. And this is the finished look.
You ready? Come.
Thanks for watching.